In this video, I'm going to show you how to file your medical expenses using TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is just log into your TurboTax account, so the Intuit account, and then you want to go over here on the left and click on Start a New Return, and it's going to start loading your information, and from here it says which of these apply to you in 2024. Now, of course, you want to select all of them that apply to you, but the most important one is over here where it says medical expenses on your screen. So, of course, check all the ones that are relevant to your scenario and check this one as well because it's related to medical expenses. Now, you want to scroll down after you've marked everything and then click on continue. And then it says if you need any help. So over here, you can select if you can do it on your own, if you can do it but want tax experts to answer questions or check your work, or if you want a tax expert to do it for you. So select one. Let's say you're going to go with this one and you want to press continue. And over here, you want to go either start for free over here, or basically select get started or start for free down here if you want to. And after that, click on one of the buttons and wait for a couple of seconds for this to load up. And then once this loads up, there we go. You're gonna get to this page where it says how did you do your taxes last year. So simply click on what's relevant for you. So for example, you did it via TurboTax Online, press continue. And then over here it says hello again, we're so glad you're back. And it says if you would like to basically be signed into your account. So you can do yes, help me sign, or you can do no, I want to skip file transfer, so I'm just gonna go no, press continue, and after that, who are you preparing this return for? Now, assuming you're doing it for yourself, you want to press this. If it's for your partner, you want to click this, but for someone else, over here, so I'm just gonna click this one, press continue, etc. Okay, now then you want to start telling them about yourself, so you want to put in your name, last name, date of birth, etc. And then you basically just want to file in everything they ask you for and keep on pressing continue, and via that they will simply guide you through and you'll be able to file in your medical expenses using TurboTax. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.